Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be talking about what happened to the burnt Ferrari 458. A couple months ago we did a rebuild on a white 458, missing the whole front end. So the gray one, that was our donor car. So before we bought it, we partnered up with our good friend Russ at Fair Parts USA. Here's their Instagram. We bought the car for $48,000 plus the auction fees and all that good stuff. It came out to $50,000. So they shipped the car straight to us. We stripped the whole front end, took whatever was necessary, and shipped the rest of the car back to Russ. So here's a little clip. Enjoy it. Alright, Ferrari 458 just arrived. This is the donor car with the burned rear end. So we're waiting for a tow truck to unload this car since the car doesn't drive. So we're gonna have to drag it with the tow truck. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. So we'll strap the car and start pulling it.
From the Ferraris and Lamborghinis.
So this is the graveyard.
It's the graveyard, really. It's nothing fancy, just a dirty old recycle.
So a couple
458. You took the front off this car.
Yeah, this is the one that we worked.
Oh, that means, you know, that's the one you pulled apart.
Is it the gray one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
So, yeah. Alright guys, well there you go. The burnt Ferrari end up at the Fair Parts in Sacramento. If you guys ever need any exotic parts, reach out to them, they'll hook you up. But for now, we'll end the video here. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.